Hi everyone, this is Chinman back again. In this video, I just wanted to show you like how I manage tasks and how I create tasks for me, like for a week or for a month. So basically, this video can help you to manage your own project while using Jira, because I use Jira to manage my tasks and my projects. So it can help you that way. Okay, maybe now you can see on the screen. So as you can see on the screen that I have like written few tasks till now. So basically like this like electricity sign basically is like flash sign is just called epic in Jira, and then one epic can have basically multiple child issues or the child tasks. So what do I mean by epic? So that my understanding of epic is that this is a kind of story, you can say, or basically a time, like you can say this is like basically a goal. Okay, like this is the like motive you wanted to, like for an example, if you try to create an epic, and then like what needs to be done. So what needs to be done in what time frame basically. So like in the next 1 week or the 2 week or the next month or the next quarter, what you would like to do. So that thing you can add here, and like you can see if I click on this, like set up all the required microservices as a project individually, and that this single epic started on April 4th and the deadline is April 11th, 8 days. So here are the child issues for this, and if I try to zoom it a little bit, then you can see. So this epic is having multiple child issues, and then these issues are the tasks. So if you click like API gateway should be set up with each service, if you click on this, then you can see that task individually. Here is a task, and then you can add description and all. So if you go back to there, then here are the issues. And then when you create like a branch, or when you start development for this particular task, then you can mention this this ticket number in your commit or in the PR or MR title, and then you can directly redirect yourself from the GitLab or GitHub to the Jira task page. Anyways, so here you can like add so many things, like the priority, the labels, and the parent task, and you can comment, and you can add a description, you can integrate few apps here. So yeah, that's how it works. It's like quite convenient for me to work this way, so that's why I like to work this way. And then I have like another epic, like an authenticated user should be able to save their data. And then I haven't added any like child issues to this, so let's add few. So add an authenticated user should be able to save their health data. So if I try to add some child issues to it, so I can say like so like what okay, an authenticated user should be able to save their health data. So basic health data information saving API. Okay, so here basically as soon as okay, this is a task. So now open the task and let's add some description to it. So for the description, I can say like initially I am expecting a user, or you can say just a user to be able to save their health data from UI. For this you need an backend API. So objective, like you can write whatever you want to write. I'm just writing like whatever like feels convenient for me. So objective of this API, objective, then you can write your objective that validate health data with predefined validation parameters. If data looks okay, then save it. Save it in DB, in health data service DB, and send to 201, like create a response, send 201, create a response to user. Okay, so and what kind of like basic health data, and what is the basic health data? So you can say like ask user to add the data they have for the past 6 months or 1 year maximum, basically. And this if they have the health checkup report, they should be able to upload it via image. Okay, that's okay, you can do. Now in order to do this thing, like if they have their health checkup report, so in order to do this, because like we want to upload some images, so for that we have to have some storage. So here you can have like one more child issues to this particular issue. Basically you can have one more child issue, which is in order to save users health checkup reports images, we need to set up S3 on AWS. Okay, so that's important, because if you don't do this, then you won't be able to do the above one. Okay, and then you can put it like, for now it's like backlog or whatever. So that's how basically I like to define my task for me, and it helped me a lot. Go back here. Now this epic number 13 having few subtasks, like one subtask, and then that subtask in itself having one more subtask. Okay, because that's how you can arrange. So there's a basic flow for me to work and to manage my tasks, and that's how I do it on a daily basis. So like if I tell you like what I'm going to do next, like today, so implementing all the user management feature, implement all user management feature in auth service update user handler. If I say update user handler, include attributes now. Okay, update register handler to include user attributes now onwards. As of now, user is registering himself with an email and password only. Update register handler to focus on the below attributes as well. So below attributes, user should be able to like go there, first name, middle name, last name, address. In terms of address, for the address, it should be city, then it should be, I think it should be prefecture first, then should be city. I mean, that's how it's easy. City, then the local address. So if you write it in a like more easy way, so it should be like your country, city, town, postal code, or like a flat number. I mean, they should be exactly same as if you try to make it more clear. This should be exactly same as the government ID user will be providing. Government and user providing. So now, you know, in order to do this, I think we have to have one more thing. Like, we should have one more child issue where, what about having, like, what about user onboarding? Why? Because if I try to define this, going in that child issue, before let users to enter their health data, we need to onboard them with a local government ID, so we can validate them. So we need this. Okay, so basically, yeah, that's the flow. Like, that's how I do work, and when I when it comes to my own work. And yeah, okay, so thank you for watching, and I hope that this way of managing tasks and this video will help you and will motivate you to manage your task by yourself as a professional, or like on an industry level workflow. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.